This is Coastal Carbon. We help organizations take climate action while restoring Earth's largest ecosystem. Companies buy carbon credits to offset their emissions and combat climate change, and carbon markets are ready to explode. Ocean carbon, or blue carbon, is some of the best available, high quality, high volume, and rapidly scalable. The only thing stopping blue carbon? Verification. We've spoken to some of the top blue carbon projects, and the one thing we consistently hear is their largest problem is finding a service to verify these credits and help bring them to the right markets. To solve this, I'm launching Coastal Carbon, the world's first verification and marketplace service for blue carbon. We work with blue carbon projects to certify their carbon using satellite imaging and ground-level sensors and bring them to a marketplace that understands their needs and the true value of their product. We have an opportunity to be the first mover in this space and help organizations take climate action while restoring Earth's largest ecosystem. I'm Thomas. I'm a master's student in carbon and I was raised on the coast. With me is a team of advisors specializing in regulated markets, oceanography, and satellite verification. Thank you.